how to change currency in booking.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change currency in booking.com. If you want to change your currency in the booking.com application and you are confused on how to do so, well, this is the perfect video for you. Simply open up your booking.com application and here you should get an face like this, as you can see here on screen. Now make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account there. At the bottom of your screen you can see search option, saved, trips and profile option as well. Simply tap on your profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do so, here what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option settings. Now you can see the settings. Under settings and legal, simply tap on settings option, and here you can see device settings. Under device settings you can see the second option, currency. Simply tap on currency option here, and now you can see I've set my currency to Nepalese rupees. You can either scroll down all the way and search in for the currency that you want to switch to, or from the search bar you can either search in for the particular currency that you want. Now I'll just switch to Australian dollars. Yes, you can see I typed in just a few letters and here it has popped up AUD, Australian dollar. Simply tap on the currency that you want to switch to and it'll be switched. So this way you can change currency in booking.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.